Have you ever listened to Americans talk and heard strange vocabulary? In this series, I'm going to give you some of the most common and interesting words from the USA. I'm John, and today we're going to study American vocabulary. Bossy. Tom and Sarah love to play soccer. They're playing right now. Stop giving me orders, Sarah. I'm only going to pass you the ball if you're open. I want us to win, Tom. I don't think we're playing well enough. I know, but you could ease up a bit. We're doing fine. I just want to help. What's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with helping, but you're being a bit bossy. Just let the coach handle it. Oh, I didn't realize I was coming off that way. Sorry. Let's keep playing. We can do this. Quiz time. What does bossy mean? Someone who is in charge. Someone who gives a lot of orders. Someone who is angry. Someone who is an entrepreneur. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's B. Someone who gives a lot of orders. Teaching moment. A bossy person likes to give orders to others, often in a way that is overly controlling or authoritative. It's often very rude. Bossy contains the word boss. To make an adjective, we just add y. This is a common trick in English. Some common examples are sleep, sleepy, dirt, dirty, cream, creamy, smoke, smoky, mood, moody. An easy way to remember this is weather vocabulary. For example, rain, rainy, wind, windy, sun, sunny, snow, snowy, mist, misty. Examples. My big sister can be so bossy. She always tells me what to do. His bossy attitude at work makes it hard for his colleagues to get along with him. The bossy toddler insisted on choosing which story to read at bedtime. She can come across as bossy, but she genuinely cares about the team's success. English extras. This is extra information from the video. Rewatch the video to learn more. Ease up. Be less strict. Let the coach handle it. Let the coach manage it. I was coming off that way. I seemed like that. Keep playing. Continue playing. Thanks for watching. If you